Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the washer door hinge, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open the washer door and use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the screws securing the door hinge. With the screws unthreaded, lift the door up to detach it from the front panel. Using a T15 Torx bit, unthread the screws holding the inner and outer door panels together. Separate the panels. Using the T15 Torx bit, unthread the screws securing the door hinge cover plate. Remove the plate and detach the old door hinge. Prepare the new door hinge for installation by sliding on the plastic hinge bearings. Now align the hinge on the inner panel. Reposition the hinge cover plate, then thread the screws to secure. Realign the inner and outer door panels. Rethread the screws to secure. Insert the hinge tabs into the front panel slots. Rethread the screws to secure. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your washer should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.